Hello my brothers and sisters. Different video tonight. Right, listen, I don't know if you've all noticed, but my videos are getting further and further apart, right? And that is because work is getting really busy. There's a lot going on with Connor and Kieran. So there's a lot going on at home as well, so that's taking up a lot of time. And cooking videos are starting to get really hard to do. But that is not me finishing, or saying I'm finishing cooking videos. All I'm going to do is going to put it to you guys. I want you, my brothers and sisters, to decide for me. Now, if you want to see more content, then I will be doing more super cool reviews. And with that, I might possibly be changing my channel name to Chris the Butcher's Super Cool Reviews, with the occasional cooking video as well. But it will primarily be reviews because I can knock them out in no time. The cooking is getting really hard. The layout of the new house, the kitchen's right on top of the living room, and it's like the main hub of the house, so I'm getting interrupted. It's just not happening. It's not happening. And I'm getting disheartened with it, and I really want to stop the cooking videos, but not altogether. Lou, what do you think?
Whatever.
She's a fucking great lot of help, isn't she? Right, so in the comments below, just let me know what you want me to do. Right?
People's views.
Yeah, just let me know what you want me to do. Because if you want me to carry on cooking more than doing the super cool reviews. Now the videos are going to start becoming at least probably once a week, maybe twice a week, but ultimately probably once a fortnight, because I'm just not getting chance. I'm knackered. I'm knackered. So if you want the super cool reviews, I could probably knock 3 or 4 a week out, because they're easy, but I'll still do them with my humour and my editing. What? Come on, Lou.
At my morning.
He's fucking starting to piss down.
How much of a short house am I next to you?
Yeah, we are a short. You're a fucking midget.
It needs to rain.
And I nearly forgot. I will be keeping the bizarre recipes. Right, so it'll be super cool reviews, the odd cooking channel, but the bizarre recipes have got to stay because I love them motherfuckers.